was in the house, minding my own business. Shirley said, "Why don't you take the dog out?" I said, "Take the dog out?" She said, "Well, go and fly your drone," she said. It's warm outside. Why do women lie? It's not fucking warm outside, it's fucking freezing. Anyway, I'm here now. So, we just will see if we can still fly this thing. I haven't flown for a while, as you know. I don't intend doing any acrobatic stunts. Up, down, left, right, shake it all about. And get the hell out of here. I've charged everything. I put the SIM card in, so I knows we should be alright to go. Take that out of there. Shut that off a minute. I don't think we need a shade. So we'll go blindfolded. Get that by there, for fuck's sake. Right, phone on. Right, it's making beautiful noises. It's saying, you are connected. Make sure that button's up so it don't fly away from us. Warning, AMU calibration, please celebrate AOM. It's marvellous.
210 feet altitude.
It's marvellous how much you can forget in such a short time.
0 miles per hour.
Because I forgot everything.
Battery.
So if I crash, it'll be alright.
208 feet altitude. 285 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 92% battery.
It's just a matter of like, do what you want to do.
209 feet altitude. 270 feet distance.
It's coming back over me now.
14 miles per hour. 91% battery.
It should be above me.
211 feet altitude.
Which it is.
38 feet distance.
Up by the
0
seagulls.
miles per hour. 90% battery. 174 feet altitude. 28 feet distance. 4 miles per hour. 89% battery. 75 feet altitude. 29 feet distance. 6 miles per hour. 89% battery. 38 feet altitude. 17 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 88% battery.
If you're not going to be mad, what's the point of being out, innit? You know, what's the point of being alive if you're not going to be mad?
393 feet altitude, 19 feet distance, 14 miles per hour,
14 miles an hour?
battery. 393 feet altitude, 455 feet distance, 24 miles per hour, 82% battery. 393 feet altitude, 1,014 feet distance, 19 miles per hour, 81% battery.
Oh, I can see it, I can see it. Swing it around.
392 feet altitude, 1,125 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 78% battery. 391 feet altitude, 819 feet distance, 32 miles per hour, 77% battery. 68% battery. 89 feet altitude, 268 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 67% battery. 14 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 63% battery. 193 feet altitude, 1,009 feet distance, 21 miles per hour.
I don't know where it is, but
battery.
I sent it home. So it should be coming.
194 feet altitude, 540
There it is.
feet distance, 21 miles per hour, 51% battery. 193 feet altitude, 60 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 50% battery.
Right above us. And it's coming down.
193 feet altitude, 19 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 49% battery.
Mine, for some reason, if anybody's watching, mine for some reason keeps going to landing with no warning sometimes, unless you see it on here. I know I put go home, but it's gone to landing. Tap to cancel. So you tap to cancel, obviously, say yes, but sometimes it will try to land without you knowing about it. So it's something you've got to keep your eye on, otherwise that drone's going to come down where you least expect it. And I see somebody's come out completely out of their whaler to start bloody fly tipping down here now. What the fuck's the point of that? I can't go too low because I can't see over that bush, so it's not a body, is it? If it's a body, you'll have to stay out there later. Oh god, that's the sun over there. There's a big sunspot in my eye. Only 53 feet. Let's go over. There's a couple of trees over there. See, there's a tree over here now. It's falling over. Falling over. Let me turn this way because I can't see nothing. Where are you going? Come on then. Oh, he's a clever lad anyway. What are you doing? Being good. Better be good. Look, see that? Oi! Yeah, see? That's where we are. There. Okay? Just in case you want to know. As you see, it's pretty cloudy, isn't it? It's a poor little dead tree. It's coming home. Where's your ball, Troy? Where's your ball, boy? Hey. Well, nowhere near where I put it to start it, because it was over by there. Now it's come by here. So GPS today, it's not as good as it fucking looks. Is that still recording or what? Right, that's it, folks. I'm going to dismantle and get the hell out of here because she was telling lies. It's not warm, it's fucking freezing. Right, we're going now, dick brain. Don't show your ass to the camera, for fuck's sake. Get me in trouble. What do you say? It's for the haters. Oh, don't be like that. They're nice people, really.